Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the S&P 500 or the SPX 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the S&P 500, to me, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. I would say we are almost definitely in a wave 3. This little box that I got way up here, right around the $6,000 area, is my target for a wave 3. So, I mean, overall, I am definitely very, very, very bullish on the SPX 500. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely no reason I think that we should be looking for shorts. I mean, I do think we are very, very likely in a 1, 2, 3 right now. So most likely we're in a wave 3 trend. We're not at a Fibonacci level. We definitely don't have a lower high. There is no reason at all to think that this wave 3 is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame and below is where you start to see this as potentially being a trend that may be getting close to being over, because it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this definitely could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of, whatever, just this trend that ended right here. So it does look like a 5-way pattern, but because of my weekly and monthly time frame targets, I am definitely still very bullish. Even if it does go down on the shorter time frames, I think it's just going to be a crescent to the uptrend, because my wave 3 target on the weekly and monthly is right around the $6,000 area. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, this definitely does resemble that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend. So if it does go down, if it does break structure, which is a big if, then you could definitely start looking for shorts, and maybe it'll make a big old ABC correction and you could make some nice money sorting it to the downside. But based on my higher time frame, I wouldn't be surprised at all if it just kept on making higher highs, higher lows. The trend is your friend, and until your roadmap time frame tells you otherwise, you should definitely continue to trade in the direction of your higher time frame trends. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, with all that information in mind, I am definitely looking for longs. I'm looking for 3-way pullbacks. We had a 3-way pullback today, which is really kind of like a 5-way pullback. It's kind of like an ABCDE correction. Now, like I said, it does have that 3, 4, 5 shape. Even on the 1 hour time frame, it has that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of every trend if you're on the right time frame. So if it goes down, if it breaks structure, then you could definitely start looking for shorts at that point. But until that happens, I would honestly definitely continue to look for longs. The only thing that would turn me into a seller is seeing a break a structure. Even if it does start to push down, it very easily could make another higher low, and it very easily could continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. Every single time frame, weekly, monthly, daily, and 4 hour time frame, are in an uptrend right now. There is no reason at all to even think about looking for shorts unless you get a very significant break of structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.